last week, Judge Fran Gall said Richard Allen's defense attorneys had removed themselves from the case. But tonight, there are 3 new developments.
This is just the latest dramatic turn in a case that has had many dramatic turns.
Number 1, Richard Allen's former defense attorney, Bradley Rosie, had filed a motion to have Judge Gall dismissed. He says she should step aside because he claims Gall pressured the defense team to withdraw themselves from the case. Friday, Gall threw out his request. She's staying on. I asked Indiana law professor Jody Madeira to explain the process.
Always difficult for a judge to rule on a motion for their own dismissal, but basically they can appeal that. And so she has to weigh in on it.
The second major development, after tossing Allen's defense attorney's request to stay on the case, Judge Gall has now appointed 2 new public defenders to represent Richard Allen. They're both from Fort Wayne, Robert Scremin and William Labredo.
I think that the new team of attorneys might want to sort of start off on a new foot, for lack of a better way of phrasing things. The defense attorneys had advanced a number of interesting theories, including that there was a white nationalist cult who was responsible for the murders. And if that theory is helpful to the new defense team, I think that increases the chances that cooperation would be useful. But if they're going to pursue a different line of defense, then I think that what they have to gain from the former defense attorneys might be somewhat limited.
And finally, the third development, Judge Gall will not allow cameras inside the court during next Tuesday's hearing. She denied the request, saying there was, quote, unauthorized filming and broadcasting of pre-hearing activities in the courtroom on October 19th.
And now she really wants just to buckle down, have the trial, conduct the trial in a way that is going to be as least prejudicial to Richard Allen as possible.
The trial is set for January, but our legal expert says it will likely be delayed. Taylor Williams, 21 Alive News.